Imagine having a personal AI assistant that can write emails, solve problems, brainstorm ideas, and even help you learn new skills, all available 24/7 for free. That's ChatGPT. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the AI buzz, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from complete ChatGPT beginner to confidently using it for work, learning, and creativity. Here's the thing. While 800 million people use ChatGPT weekly, most are barely scratching the surface. A recent study by OpenAI showed that nearly half of queries take on basic question and answer formats, missing out on ChatGPT's real power. Maybe you've tried ChatGPT before and got generic, unhelpful responses, or perhaps you're intimidated by AI and don't know where to start. The problem isn't ChatGPT, it's that nobody teaches you how to communicate with AI effectively. Today that changes. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what ChatGPT can do, but how to unlock its full potential for your specific needs. First, let's clarify what ChatGPT actually is. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But forget the technical jargon. Think of it as a highly intelligent writing and reasoning assistant that understands context and can help with virtually any text-based task. Unlike Google, which finds existing information, ChatGPT creates new content based on your specific request. It's been trained on millions of text sources up to its knowledge cutoff date, giving it broad knowledge across subjects like writing and editing, problem solving and analysis, coding and technical help, creative brainstorming, learning and tutoring. The key difference? ChatGPT remembers your conversation context, so each response builds on what you've discussed before, like talking to a knowledgeable colleague who never forgets details. Getting started is surprisingly simple. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1, go to chat.openai.com. Step 2, click sign up and create your free account. Step 3, verify your email, and that's it. You'll immediately have access to the latest free version, which is incredibly powerful for most tasks. The paid ChatGPT Plus version gives you access to a more sophisticated model, which is more accurate and can handle more complex requests. But the free version is perfect for learning. Pro tip, you can also access ChatGPT through mobile apps, making it available wherever you are. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, how to communicate with ChatGPT effectively. Here's where most people go wrong. They treat ChatGPT like Google. Instead of how to write resume, try this approach, the clear method. C for context, give ChatGPT background information. L for length, specify how long you want the response. E for examples, provide examples when possible. A for audience, define who this is for. R for role, tell ChatGPT what role to take. Let's take a look at a weak prompt and a stronger, clear version. Weak prompt, write a resume. Strong prompt, act as a professional career counselor. Help me write a resume for a marketing coordinator position. I have 3 years of social media experience and a bachelor's in communications. Make it ATS friendly, around 400 words, formatted for someone applying to tech startups. See the difference? The second prompt gives ChatGPT everything it needs to provide exactly what you want. Speaking of effective prompting, if you want to master this skill at a professional level, check out the Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT course from Vanderbilt University on Coursera. That goes way deeper than what we can cover today. You'll learn advanced techniques, industry best practices, and how to create prompts that consistently deliver exactly what you need. I'll link that in the description. Let me show you real-world applications that can immediately improve your productivity. For students, study guide creation. Create a study guide for Chapter 5 of my biology textbook about cellular respiration. Essay outlining. Help me outline a 5-paragraph essay on climate change impacts. Concept explanation. Explain quantum physics like I'm 12 years old. For professionals, email drafting. Write a professional follow-up email after a job interview. Meeting summaries. Summarize these meeting notes and identify action items. Presentation creation. Create an outline for a 10-minute presentation on digital marketing trends. For personal project, travel planning. Plan a 5-day itinerary for Rome on a $1,000 budget. Recipe modification. Adapt this pasta recipe for someone with gluten intolerance. Creative writing. Help me brainstorm plot ideas for a mystery novel. The key is about being specific about your needs and asking follow-up questions to refine the output. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. Here are some ways to ensure you're using it responsibly. always review what it generates, especially if you're using it in professional, academic, public settings. Use it as a starting point, not the final answer. Be cautious with confidential or personal information. Don't share sensitive data and prompts. Also, double-check facts, as ChatGPT doesn't always verify real-time sources. Finally, when using AI to help with writing or research, disclose that use when appropriate. Transparency promotes trust and ethical practice. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to enhance your capabilities, not replace your critical thinking. Ready for some advanced techniques that separate beginners from power users? Template creation. Create reusable prompt templates for recurring tasks. For example, analyze this type of content for a target audience and provide feedback on specific aspects, format as desired format. Conversation memory. Leverage ChatGPT's conversation memory by building complex projects over multiple prompts. Number 1, start with content setting. Number 2, add details progressively. Number 3, reference previous responses. Number 4, ask for modifications. Output format. Request specific formats. Provide this as a table. Format as a professional email. Create bullet points with sub-bullets. These techniques make it incredibly efficient with ChatGPT. If you're getting excited about the possibilities we've covered, Google's Prompting Essentials specialization on Coursera is perfect for taking your skills to the next level. This comprehensive program covers not just ChatGPT, but prompting strategies across different AI tools, essential knowledge for anyone serious about AI productivity. Congratulations, you now know more about ChatGPT effectively than most people. Let's recap your journey. You understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. You can create accounts and navigate the interface. You've learned the clear method for better prompting. You know practical applications for work, study, and personal projects. You understand limitations and best practices. You have advanced techniques to explore. Your homework. Try 3 different use cases this week. Start with something simple like email writing, then move to a creative project, and finally tackle a work-related task. Remember, the best way to learn ChatGPT is by using it. Every conversation teaches you something new about effective prompting. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more AI tutorials and productivity tips. What will you create with ChatGPT first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and experimenting with AI. The future is incredibly exciting, and you're now equipped to be a part of it.